Hey Jennifer, my name is Lance Little. I spoke with Danielle, your receptionist, earlier today about sending over this video, which is just a quick demonstration showing you where Apple a Day Dentistry website sits in Google, where it's at and where it potentially could be. So just starting out, when people search, when people are looking for a dentist in St. George, they're going to type some kind of keyword like this in Google, and this is what's going to pop up on the first page. So at the top, you're going to have ads, which ads are awesome and can get a lot of traffic, but sometimes people have ad blockers on, so potentially new clients are not going to see this ad, and they're just going to skip right down to this, or this is what they're going to see first, which this is called a Google Map Pack. And then you come down, and this is where the organic listings start. So this is where your business website starts. So to get into this organic listings here on these top spots, Google is looking for content and backlinks. Now, to be an authority in Google's eyes with content, they're looking for 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, with keywords and that, keyword rich content. Because Google, Google is just a big popularity contest. They got their robots and they're constantly crawling the internet looking for those keywords and which websites have, keyword rich content that they can say, oh, this is pretty popular. Let's push this up to the top. So with that, here's your guys' website. You can see it's highlighted already. I highlighted it just to get the content count, just the word count. And you guys are at 300 words. And a lot of it's just kind of the titles and the click to get the different links, things like that. So there's a lot of potential to have that content with a lot of those keywords in it to bring you up to those top organic listing spots. Now the second thing with Google's looking for with getting into these top spots is the backlinks. Backlinks are just another website referring back to your website. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It just kind of gives us a breakdown of the data on businesses' websites. And you guys have 562 backlinks, 55 domains or other websites that are referencing back to you guys 560 times. Now, with backlinks, not all of them are created equal. Some are more powerful than others in a sense. For example, let's say you have, a Pizza Hut place website referencing back to Apple a Day Dental. It's not going to have as much power or potency as, maybe another dental website or a dental blog or a dental directory, if that makes sense. Now, so this is where you guys are sitting at, and I think it was St. George Smiles has that top spot in Google right now, and they have over 1,000 backlinks and 362 domains. So there's, that potential to outrank them here, and also with the content to push that up to get you guys closer onto this first page. I think I found you guys. I think you were close to the bottom of page 2, which isn't bad. Page 2 is awesome, but I think the stats are like 67% of people don't even go past the first page in Google. So just there's that. So down here, organic listings, they're looking for content and backlinks. And then this map pack section, this is where the citations come in. Now, citations is just your business name, address, and phone number scattered across the internet as many times as you can in quality directories. Again, like backlinks, some citations they're not created equal, and some have a little more power than others. But that's just getting your name into directories like Yelp, Yahoo, Yellow Pages, White Pages, local Southern Utah directories, different dental blogs, or yeah, any type of directory across the state, across the nation, just wherever it might be, and that will push you up to these top spots as well. So not only do you have the opportunity to be seen here in these top spots in the organic listings, but you potentially could be seen twice if you get in here and in here. So that's just it for. I just wanted to share those quick tips. You can take this information and get it done, your guys' selves, and all I ask is that you share with me some feedback on this video, and keep me in mind if you guys if you ever are looking for marketing. But again, just wanted to share that with you, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.